Hi there, students. Intemperate, an adjective. Intemperately, the adverb. Intemperateness, I guess the noun, although it's unusual. Okay, intemperate is an adjective that says lacking control. Intemperate, showing anger or violence that's too extreme and not well controlled. Intemperate language, he swore like a trooper. He didn't restrain his swearing. An intemperate outburst, he got really angry. So this is saying lacking of control in relation to your temper, uncontrolled, to run amok. The Prime Minister said that he would not be persuaded into intemperate action. Action that's just too extreme. We also use this word intemperate to talk about drinking alcohol, habitually drinking alcohol to excess. He's an intemperate drinker and gets horribly drunk. Maybe you could say this part of the world has an intemperate climate. It's very extreme. It's incredibly hot in summer and incredibly cold in winter. So intemperate, lacking restraint. He intemperately swore at the people who came to the door. He's always using intemperate language in class. So violent, severe, uncontrolled, unbridled, profligate, inordinate, going over the top, doing too much. So given to excess. Intemperate criticism, where the person criticizes and goes on and on criticizing. Maybe Jeremy Clarkson launching intemperate attacks against a car that people rather like. Intemperate, lacking moderation, lacking control. Intemperate criticism. Intemperate language, intemperate drinking. Intemperate spending. Or maybe man's intemperate release. Man is intemperately releasing huge amounts of CO2 into the atmosphere. This is intemperate. We need to control ourselves. We need to scale down. And this is the meaning of intemperate. So what about formality? I think I would give this 6.5, 7 in formality. It's quite a formal word, sounds a bit literary, descriptive. I think informally, excessive, without moderation, something like that. And then the origin in, not, and temperate from the Latin temperatus, moderate, combine properly. So intemperate, you need to control your desires and your temper and your use and the way you do things. So don't be intemperate. Do you think man as a species is intemperate? He just tends to go too far with things once he's started them. Maybe the intemperate fishing has or is destroying most of the fish stocks all over the world. His intemperate attitude made people dislike him. Not given to moderation, extremist. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Intemperate.